as we said, aren't they just point and shoot? Well, no, they're not point and shoot, as I've just discussed. And this particular image you can see here was required because of the size of the building to be collected as a composite image. So this is an image with probably somewhere in the region of 40 images, stitched together in a traditional panoramic way, but now it becomes a high resolution image, and we can also see the heat loss in context, which becomes a really important way of confirming with your customer what the problems are. Nothing worse than looking at 40 individual images, looking at a very small portion of the scene. And we can't afford to go back away from the scene to fill the frame with our elevation, because all we're doing is moving away from the target surface. And if we move away from the target surface, we lose radiation. Radiation that's emitting from the surface is absorbed by our atmosphere. So we want to be as close to the target as we possibly can. And a way of getting as close to the target as we possibly can is to make multiple images of the scene.